children, welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to study a new lesson, nature. Can you identify what is this? Sun, sun, moon, moon, stars, stars, lightning, lightning, rainbow, rainbow, clouds, clouds. Next one, rain, rain, wind, wind, sea, sea, river, river, mountain, mountain, tree, tree. Okay kids? Now let's learn some questions and answers. First one, this is a sun. Sun. Where does sun rise? Where does sun rise? East. East. Then where does sun set? Where does sun set? West. West. Wow! What is this? Stars. Can you count the stars in the sky? No. നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർ നക്ഷത്രങ്ങളെ എണ്ണാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇല്ല. Next question. What are the two shapes of moon? What are the two shapes of moon? Full moon. This is a full moon. And crescent moon. This is a crescent moon. Full moon, crescent moon. Hi, what is this? This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Okay, 7. Rainbow le etra colors undu? 7. Etra colors undu? 7. Wow, what is this? This is a sea. Endha sea parna? Kadal. Endana? Kadal. What is the taste of sea water? What is the taste of sea water? Okay, salty. Endana kadalile vellathinte taste ariyo? Endana? Uppu rasanalle. Endana? Uppu rasam. Okay. Rain. This is rain. Rain. From where do we get water? From where do we get water? Okay, rain. നമുക്ക് എവിടുന്നാണ് വെള്ളം കിട്ടുക? മഴ പെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് വെള്ളം കിട്ടുക അല്ലേ? മഴ സമയത്ത് ഒരുപാട് വെള്ളം വീഴും അല്ലേ ആകാശത്തു നിന്ന്? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എവിടുന്നാണ് വെള്ളം കിട്ടുക? Rain. From where do we get water? Rain. What is this? This is a tree. This is a tree. Big plants are called trees. എന്താണ് ചെറിയ ചെടികൾ വലുതായി വലുതായി എന്താണ് ആകുന്നത്? വലിയ മരമാകുന്നു അല്ലേ? എന്താണ്? Big plants are called trees.
Now let's do the activity in the textbook. Color the stars and moon. എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റാറുകൾക്കും മൂണിനും കളർ ചെയ്യണം. Everyone should recognize the pictures in the lesson on nature and practice the questions and answers well.
So, can we sing a song? Are you ready? Yes.
Up in the dark sky, what do you see? Big stars and small stars winking at me. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Is the sun your father? La 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 la. Is the moon your mother? La 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 la. Is the sun your father? La 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 la. Is the moon your mother? La 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 la.
Do you enjoy the song? Okay, today's class is over. Thank you.